Hey guys, welcome back to my vid. And last video we failed it because I set the weight to 1 because I didn't know it will float like that. So I will use the 100 something. Why is it not moving? Okay, there you go. And let's get this will work, but also dangerous. Don't explode, please. If you explode, I will die. I'm gonna wait to the tornado siren, and that's well that. Ooh, look how heavy is this. I'll set it to. This will fine. Be careful. And boom. And I also get rid of this, what's called, the animal, the spinny thing, what's called, I forgot. And I get rid of it because it's the only object that got sucked up my truck. And I use these both, but not the spinny thing that I forgot what is it named. Goes to the ground. Perfect. So there we go. This reminds me of something. It looks like Tornado Hunter's vehicle, but it's a raptor. So this is too heavy. Come on. It's been an hour. Maybe not hours, minutes. Oh, there we go. Don't spawn on top of me, please. I'm sorry that this thing is an admin gun, so if my friends should shoot them. It's the admin gun. It works. Dangerous. Yes. I forgot to tell that I have these cameras like that, and then looking back, looking forward for a better look. What? How? How did it? What? I just unfroze and then it just fell. Is it supposed to froze there? Explode? Nope. Does it explode? I have a boost. You can see this. I have sticky. No. It looks like it's called a police vehicle because the bar is there. Oh, that is so scary, David Crockett. Let's just move to the bridge because I feel like this is a EF5 again because it was last video. It was taking too long. I was so impatient, and then the tornado appeared like right there. So let's just park here because its path is here. Can boost out of here or hide in the tunnel there because this is a beast. laggy because there's a realistic winch. Oh, yeah, that's the same spot. Okay, deploying the probe, and let's freaking get out of here. And let's get in the ditch. Ooh. Never mind. Wait. It looks like it's been in that spot like the same time. But I think it switched. Wait. Okay. Okay. Wait. It's getting close. Let me grab that. There. Oh, that is scary. I think the dead end is the edge of the map is there. So let's get out here if the probe can. Oh, yep, it's coming this way. Okay. It's really laggy because it picked up those houses. Oh, there we go. The bomb is sucked up in the tornado. There's the explosion. Come on. Oh, there it is. Ooh. It didn't just blows up in the tornado. And it's really laggy because it picked up the farmhouse. Oh, there's a what is that? That looks like a fridge and those roofs. Oh my gosh. We just did it! That was a success. Success, I mean. And just we killed it by the bomb. Well, the place, but not really. It just got flinged. And that's the end of the video. That was a success. And I will see you all of you in the next video. Bye.